Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2020 Buick Encore, and we're going to do the front grille chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the chrome panels, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we used the gloss black material in order to match the color of the grille that it comes with, and also to black out the entire chrome panel. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Before we start with the installation, make sure to prep each panel that's going to be worked on. So all you need is baby shampoo and water mixed together to create your solution. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel and make sure to remove any contaminants that each panel may have. And then once you're done cleaning each panel, make sure everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the panel. So we're going to start by installing the piece that covers this lower section of the chrome and goes along with the rest of the panel here. So all we need to do is just place the film wherever you need it in order to hold your position on the chrome, and just make sure you align the rest of the film on the edge here. So align it here and align it to the body line as well. If you're not covering this top section here, it's fine, because when we install the piece that goes on top, it will overlap and cover the remaining section of the chrome here. So just make sure everything is covered on this section. Make sure there's no air bubbles. And once this is aligned and tacked down, now we can move on with the rest of the film. Okay, now that we finished tacking it down in this section, you just continue on with the rest of the film. Lift the film carefully and just follow the body line or the design of the chrome panel until you reach to the end here. So just follow. Make sure you're covering the chrome on the bottom. You have coverage, and it ends halfway in the middle of the headlight. And now you just grab your squeegee, tack everything down, and then apply heat to seal everything. And then once everything's tacked down, we move on to the next piece. And if you happen to have excess material, let's say around this section here, just apply heat first and then trim off the excess material. If you do end up trimming off the excess material around this section here, there is a gap in between the panel and the grille. Once you find that gap, into your blade and carefully just trim off the excess material. And now everything's good to go, no excess material, and then you move on to the next piece. So once we move on to the next piece, with this one, when you grab the film, you are going to notice that the film comes with a cutout close to the edge where the headlight is located. That cutout, we need to align it to this section here. So make sure to align this section to the grille section here, and the rest of the film can be tucked in underneath under the headlight here. So just make sure you align it first here, cover everything, make sure it has coverage. If you need to move it, you can. So just like that, place the rest of the film to the edge of the panel, and then you would grab your squeegee and start tucking it underneath the headlight like this. You could also use the other half of the squeegee in order to tuck it in, since the gap does get smaller as you get to the edge of the panel here. So tuck everything in, and now everything's tacked down, and we just continue on with the rest of the installation. Once you tack down this end of the film, now we can continue on with the rest. Lift the film carefully and just align the film to the rest of the chrome. Make sure you're covering everything. The film does overlap with this one just a little bit, so just use your finger to guide it and tack it down and carefully help it align. And if you need to lift the film to realign it, you can. Just lift it carefully and make sure you go all around the panel until you reach to the end right here. So as you see, all the chrome is covered. Grab your squeegee, tack down the top section first. With this one, you could tuck in the film underneath the grille. Just make sure you apply pressure to the grille a little bit down in order for you to tuck in the film, and whatever can't be tucked in, then we will trim it off. Okay, And now just apply heat around this curve here first. Once this is tacked down and we remove any finger that may come across here, apply heat to the rest of the film so we can tack it down, and then we'll trim off the excess material afterwards. So apply a little bit of heat around the curve. Let the film cool down, and then with your finger, help it sit around the curve. That way you avoid having any fingers and it looks flush just like this. And then just continue on with the rest. Once you tack down the entire film, grab your blade. If you have excess material on the top edge here, you would just repeat the same process as how we did it to trim off the excess material in the bottom. Find the gap in between the grill and the chrome panel, insert your blade, and just trim off the excess material. Remove it. And you just continue on. Wherever you have excess material, carefully trim it off. And once you're done with this piece, now we can move on with the bottom section. Okay, so for this last piece, it is a 2-piece installation for the lower section of the grill. With this one, you could start off by aligning it on the top edge here, or the other option is aligning this section of the film to the middle section of where the cutout is located, where it separates the grill. You're going to see a small design in the middle. You could align it there as well. So you have 2 different options when it comes to aligning. And once you align the film, use the top half as the guide in order to place the film to the rest of the chrome panel. So use your finger, just like this. Make sure you're aligning everything. If you need to lift to realign it, you can. Just carefully lift it. Guide the film to where you want to place it until you reach it to the top edge. And if you have small fingers, all you need to do is just carefully squeegee them at an angle, just like that, to tack them down. You can also apply heat to help them bring them down. And then this film, since it is lifting, just bring it down like that. And if it keeps lifting, a little bit of heat will do the trick. But for right now, our main focus is just to tack down everything, remove all the air, and then we'll apply heat to tack everything down. Okay, once we tack down everything, grab your heat gun, apply heat to the entire panel, and just help the film tack down to the chrome. With this section, you can tuck in the film underneath the grill. Just take your time tacking it down. And the only part where you might need a trim would be the top section here if you started to align it from here. But if you didn't and you started here, this should be fine. But if you have extra material on top, just trim it off. Trim it off just like that. Remove the extra material. And we should be good. And now you would repeat the same process for the other side of the grill. And then the last thing to do is to post heat the entire panel, and then you're done. So the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation is to grab your heat gun and post heat the entire panel. Make sure to apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. And then once you're done post heating, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the front grille chrome delete installation for the 2020 Buick Encore. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.